All right. You are welcome back again. My name is Gospel Samuel Obinane, as usual. Yeah. I'm a TBC. Yeah. I'm glad to be a TBC because I'm happy of what TBC are doing in my life. Yeah, I have to, address some certain issue in this forum. I have some little points to discuss about. If you look at number one point as a question to you, which I'm going to ask is what? With all the regulations and insurance and how many depositors we are able to get their money when the bank crashed, it's a question. With all the regulations and the insurance, how many depositors were able to get their money when the bank crashed? It's a question that we have to ask ourselves. Look at it now. Many is not getting their money when the bank crashed. So that is it. Then number two question says, why did the bank even crash in first place? It's a question that we all will answer. Why did the bank crash in first place? At a point of view or something like that, they are not supposed to crash in first place. To compare what we are seeing in the cryptocurrency world, and you will lose your money if you're in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, that is it. Then number three question says, why are there still cases of massive fraud? Why are there still cases of massive fraud on that's underhand dealings, looting, bad loans, and even with the presence of what almighty CBN, especially in Nigeria. I'm talking of people in Nigeria. CBN is a bank that unite all the banks in country Nigeria. That is Apex Bank in Nigeria, Central Bank of Nigeria. That is meaning of what CBN. That is the central bank that unites all the banks in Nigeria. So he said, even what the CBN, almighty CBN, the present one, we have a lot of what bad loans, lootings, underhand dealings, or something like that. Despite almighty what CBN, it's not supposed to be. Then number four question is what? Can I ask if they know anything about the admin of the internet and how it is regulated, yet they make use of it? Can I ask if they know anything about what the admin of the internet and how it is regulated, yet they make use of it? It's a question. Sometimes ago, CBN or whatever federal government, they are talking of what? Cryptocurrency. Most people that are indulging in a cryptocurrency, they have to beware and they have to desist from cryptocurrency. That all this is fraud. People that you don't know the admin, you don't know how they are being regulated or something like that, and you are patronizing them. If your money lost or something like that, they will not be the people bearing the consequences. Yes, they will not be the people bearing the consequences. Yes, they will not. Then the question of this number four, now asking them this question: did they know the admin of the internet they are using? Which is not, they don't know the admin of the internet they are using, and the board that regulate all this internet, they don't know it, yet they are using it. Why should they be prognosing over CBN? Over cryptocurrency. See, that is question. So they have to answer it. Let me just go on. There's number five question says, there are both hackers and fraudsters all over the internet, yet that does not both CBN and NDIC from maximizing the benefit. Fraudsters are everywhere, yet they are still making use of what? Internet. Why didn't they just quit of the internet? There's a saying that says in our own language that you cannot use because of the people died in the cause of fights, and you will not fight again. You will not fight for your cause. No, it has to be going on. So they knows all this thing, that the fraudsters are in internet. Yet they still do what? Patronize the internet. Why won't cryptocurrency people patronize cryptocurrency? Though we know that there's a lot of fraudsters, but you have to be careful of yourself. You have to, hold your account very, very tight. Do not, dispose it to another person or third person or third party or even second party. You don't have to do that. So CBN or Nigerian government, I'm asking you this question. That is a question number 5. The number 6 says the CBN regrets Naira, yet it has continued to go down in value and depreciate uncontrollably. So that is it. They have been controlling Naira for a long time, regulating all the Naira and every other thing. Yet the value is going down, depreciating all the time. Why are they saying that cryptocurrency is not good or is bad or something like that? They should not do so. Then number 7 says their ignorance will not let them know that some cryptocurrencies like Picono are fully backed up with gold. Yes, they don't know that. They are ignorant of all this. There's some cryptocurrency that's backed up with gold, which they don't know. So when they are talking of all this kind of a thing, that's why I am telling some people you should not listen to what some people says. Some people say something for them to take you out of your destiny, take you, distract you from getting your destiny, or disturb you or obstruct you from getting to your destiny, which is very, very bad. I am telling you, don't heed to the advice. Cryptocurrency has come to bring a balance equation between poor and the rich. Those people that are poor, if you are into cryptocurrency, you can become rich. That is it. But not rich over time. You have to work for it to get it. There's no investment that doesn't require money. You have to invest with your money in every investment for it to get money. So number 7 question says, okay, number 8 question, not number 7. I have asked number 7 question. Number 8 says, are they aware that cryptocurrency are accepted and traded on forex platform where major currencies of the world are traded with the exclusion of the so-called regulated Naira? Yes, are they aware of that? Naira is nowhere. Naira is nothing. The value of Naira is nonsense. Even Ghana cedis, Ghana of yesterday, their money is now more than the Naira. The value of cedis, Ghana cedis, is more far than all this Naira we are talking about. Then number 9 question says, I don't think they are aware that Bitcoin is going to be used at 2018 World Cup. They don't know about it. They don't even know about it. That is most special thing that all these Nigerian CBN or regulators of Naira don't know. They have to know it. That's why we are giving all these testimonies. Spread it all the whole world for them to know. And for them that are reading, things from YouTube, will get to know all these things. So, number 9 question says, I don't think they are aware that Bitcoin is going to be used at 2018 World Cup. Okay, I have asked this question. The number 10 says, major countries are migrating to digital economy, while Nigeria is going deeper into analog economy. Yes, that is one thing with Nigeria. Nigeria, they are not moving ahead with their fellow countries. That is a problem that Nigeria has. They don't move. They always, stays in what? Mundane things things that are not working, outdated, they are going back. Instead of them moving forward, they are going back. That's why if we introduce any new event in Nigeria, Nigerian government will help you to kill it. They will help you to, destabilize it. They will kill your dream, which is not good. But anyone that has a future dream, anyone that know that this is what I want in life, nobody can take it away from me. They should not listen to Nigerian government. They are not doing anything good for the masses. Honestly, people that has money, that are millionaires, that are successful in Nigeria, they made it on their own. Nigerian government don't support them at all. Likewise, all these developed countries like US, UK, and all of the countries, you see them, their government help them to achieve what they want in life. But Nigeria will not do that. Come on alone. Here in Nigeria, it will be very, very hard for a poor man to get a loan. That is what people have to know. We have to expose all these things so that they will understand what we are talking about. That is it. So I will suspend I will suspend it here for want of time. I will suspend it here for want of time. I will suspend it here for want of time, because if I continue talking of all this kind of a thing, if I continue to emphasize in what Nigerians are doing, federal government of Nigeria are doing for poor masses, I will finish it. I will talk till next year, 2019. It's not, which is not easy for me. But in all, what we are witnessing is the result of what quota system education, where people with non-functional brain are elevated above intelligent people, thereby retrogressing the shithole countries. The shithole. Nigeria is shithole. President of America said it last time, that Nigeria is a shithole country. And I'm not seeing it. I'm seeing it, honestly. Nigeria is a shithole country. They are just destabilizing, making many people that want to become rich, they want to become successful in life, to become poor. That is it. But it is if only you listen to them. Cryptocurrency, for me, nobody controls me in a cryptocurrency. I move on, and I own bank of myself. That is it. So for those people that want to become successful in life, imbibe in a cryptocurrency, and you make it in life. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening to my video. If you are listening to this, do not forget to hit your cursor in like, and also subscribe. There's a place written subscribe in red writing. Please, I advise you to subscribe on my YouTube to get more of my testimonies in TBC and in any other thing. Not only TBC, sometimes I do videos of other things that will make your life to be improved economically. So I am advising you, please, it will be on my own happiness that if you subscribe to my YouTube, subscribe to it, and God will bless you in the name of Jesus. Amen. Thank you very much. Thank you, my dear brothers and sisters. God will bless you.